When you purchase a VivoFit Junior 2, you automatically get access to its corresponding adventure map. But the fun doesn't stop there. By purchasing a new band for VivoFit Junior or VivoFit Junior 2, you get a code that gives your kid access to a whole new world of app adventures and games. Choose a Marvel Avengers band and experience Ultron's Revenge, a Marvel Avengers mission. Every day that your child meets their 60-minute activity goal, they get to progress in the adventure and take on more missions. Ultron is on the loose. It's up to the Avengers to figure out his sinister plan and bring him to justice. Evil never takes a rest, so this will be no easy task. Nick Fury has been captured by Hydra agents at the pier. He'll need Black Panther's help to escape. But where's Tony Stark? Black Widow needs some help tracking down the missing hero. Was he kidnapped? Thor must face off against the Destroyer, and he needs help from Doctor Strange to do it. Hawkeye is being held hostage by Ultron's Hydra agents. Who's gonna rescue him? It takes a lot of heroes to keep the peace, but the Avengers have to work together to locate Ultron and take him down once and for all. Want to know how the story ends? These app adventures are exclusive to Garmin, so you'll have to get your hands on a VivoFit Junior with one of these bands. But the story is just the beginning. For every day kids meet their 60-minute activity goal, they'll be rewarded with colorful gems that let them level up faster. Meeting double or even triple their activity goal will reward the child with more gems. In other words, the more they do, the more they get. Tap to collect them and see your total at the top of the screen, along with current mission progress. In addition to collecting gems, meeting their daily activity goals lets kids access a fun tap challenge game. After they earn a move and read the story card for the day, they'll have an opportunity to play. Tap Play Now to proceed, or Play Later to return to the map screen. Kids can return to the unplayed game anytime they want until the current mission is complete. During the game, kids will have 1 minute to earn as many points as possible. And if they've exceeded their activity goal, they'll get time boosts, which can lead to more points. Tap on the squares to uncover goodies and characters like Iron Man that add to your child's point total. But watch out for traps like Hydra. If your child taps on their icon, they will lose points. At the end of the game, your child will be able to see a scoreboard with their points for the round and recent high scores. After the game, kids can choose to play again immediately. For every 60 minutes of daily activity, they'll get 3 attempts. And by exceeding that goal, they'll get even more attempts and more opportunities to play. It's a great reward for staying active and will inspire kids to get a little more activity every day.